Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Isabella Natanda. In today's video we're going to be talking about how to make your vision board. So in this video I'm going to be unpacking the entire process from how you first make your list of goals to the time when you actually make your vision board. So let's jump right into the video. So the first step, which is the thought process, this is the part where you assess your vision or your goals for the past year, which for us right now is 2020. You just look at it and then you see, did you accomplish the things that you're hoping to accomplish? Do you have to change anything in the way you are actioning your things and your implementation processes and stuff? If you manage to achieve those, then you move on to 2020. So you think about it, you pray about it some more, and then you pray about it some more. You just dig deep into your inner self to find out what you really want to do, what you're really capable of doing, because this entire activity, this entire exercise is meant to help you achieve to your full potential, right? So think about it and pray about it. Then the second step is picking a word for your year. For me in 2019, the word that I was using for that year was growth, and the word that you pick is supposed to be a word that encompasses everything that you're going to do in that year. Like if you ask me right now to summarize 2019 in one word, I would simply say growth, because I managed to do a lot of things. I achieved so many things professionally, academically, and personally as well. I grew as a person. I am now a more mature person. I am able to love myself more than I used to in the past years. So if I was asked to summarize my year, I would say growth. So that's what you want to do for 2019. Just find a word that will, summarize everything. What are you trying to do? So for me, I chose the word focus, simply because I was in a battlefield in my mind. I wanted to use hard work at some point. I wanted to use self-love. I wanted to use godly love. I wanted to use spirituality. I wanted to use kindness. But then I thought all of those things are going to require me to be extremely focused. If I want to grow my spiritual life, I need to be focused on it. If I want to work really hard to achieve my professional goals, I need to be focused. If I want to love myself deeply, I also need to be focused. So I thought focus. Yeah. So in 2020, we are thinking focus. And then the other thing is you want to write down your goals. And when you write down your goals, do not forget that your goals are supposed to be SMART goals, which means they are supposed to be specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and time bound. And do not forget these things. You need to know by when you're supposed to have achieved those goals. You're also supposed to know exactly what you want to do. That's specificity, like get to the point. And is it realistic? Is it attainable? Like, don't talk about buying a yacht when you haven't even bought a car yet, right? Talk about things that are realistic and attainable. And you also want your goals to be measurable. For example, if it's a numbers game, for me, for example, I've got two goals where I want to recruit 50 recruits in A1, and I also want to grow my channel up to like 20,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So that is something that is measurable. You can actually measure the number of people that you've recruited into your A1 business, and you can also measure the number of people that have subscribed to the channel, right? Measurable. And also don't forget that all of these goals, all of this process, this exercise is meant to benefit you. So you don't want to do things that are going to make you unhappy and sad for the entire year. You want things that are going to uplift you, things that are going to make you feel good about yourself. So when you do this entire exercise, just make sure that all of those goals are meant to serve you. The fourth thing is make it visual. That's when you start googling on the internet and getting pictures from magazines or using Photoshop even. I mean, I know some people who want their vision board to be so visual that if it's a YouTube channel, for example, me, you have the YouTube name, and your banner and everything, and then you write the number of subscribers that you want by the end of the year. So it's going to be saying Isabella Notando 20,000 subscribers, so that when you're looking at it on your board, it's so visual, it's in your face, that you are forced to take the steps toward making making that goal realistic, right? So that you see it come to fruition. That is all about making it visual. So you need to get pictures, you need to print up stuff, and so you're going to need a printer, you're going to need internet connection or a bunch of magazines, so that you can be able to create your vision board. Then to make the actual board, you are going to need a frame, a cardboard, or any other alternative. And then you're also going to need the pictures that you got from your magazine, your internet, and the printing. And then you're going to need some glue, some sellotape, or just a basic glue stick. That's what I used. And then scissors. So I'm going to insert a clip of myself just pinning my pictures on my vision board and explaining each goal, each vision, like how it came to be and stuff like that. Enjoy. So first of all, you want to put the word of your year on your canvas. This is my canvas. I chose this background because some of my pictures are black and white, as you can see. So I wanted something that is colorful, something that is playful, because I'm also a very playful person and I love color. So firstly, you want to put your word of the year at the top so that you can see what your year looks like, right? And I've got this little quote right there that says, be bold, take risks, live life freely, lead by example, trust your gut, say what you feel, mean what you say, express gratitude, believe in your power, exceed your expectations, dance the night away, skip down the street, don't take no for an answer, be your best self, and do not look back. And I just love it because it speaks so much to what I want to be in the coming year. So yeah, I just thought, let me paste that on and just encourage myself to not lose myself, you know. And then the next thing is this picture of myself as a child. I remember those days. I was so young and innocent, you know, nothing could bring me down. And I just thought, in the coming year, I would like to maintain that childlike innocence, that childlike love and patience, you know, and just be that person again. Not lose myself and not lose my childlike innocence. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Then I also have goals to be fit. I want to be fit, and this picture is a picture of Bomele Dwaba. I don't know if you know her, but I love how she just took her life, you know, and she created the life that she wanted. So that is what I want. Then another personal goal of mine is to open or to launch my organization called the IN Foundation, which is Isabella Notando Foundation. My foundation is all about water, safety, sanitation, health and hygiene, and that is what I do. That is what I'm passionate about. I'm passionate about public health, and also I want to extend its wings to become a foundation that also deals with mental health. So I'm very passionate about this. And then another personal goal of mine is to travel. I want to travel. I want to go to a country that is not in Africa, or maybe that is not home, rather. This was supposed to be yellow, but then my printer started acting crazy when I was printing, so I had to use black and white. And then this is a place that I want to go, like anyway. I want to relax, I want to see the world, and I just thought, why not just paste that right there. I'm not sure if I want to go out of Africa or out of my country, or just, you know, travel Zimbabwe or travel South Africa. So I'm not really sure about that one, but yeah, I'll just get to know it soon. And then I'm also an Avon leader, and I would like to recruit 50 Avon representatives in the year 2020. And yeah, so I just picked this picture online, and it says beauty boss, a diva of dazzle, a guru of glam, the boss of her domain. And that is pretty much what I want for my business. That is pretty much it. Okay, it's just getting blurry. Okay, yeah, that is pretty much it. Yes, that's it right there. And then I want to start my master's in public health. Like, I'm going to do a master's, but I don't want to do it in just anything. So I want to do a degree, a master's degree. I want to pursue a master's degree in public health. And yeah, so I will put it on my vision board. And I would also very much love to get a job. That is definitely on the cards. I mean, we need an income, we need a job, because I'm a recent graduate, so I need to get a job. Then this is just a little verse that I love. And fun fact, the words "do not fear, for I am with you" were said more than 365 times in the Bible. And I just wanted to remind myself, that every single day, that God is saying, "do not fear, for I am with you." And I love the fact that it starts with a so. So, because it means there are other things before that. There's pain, there's tribulation, there's joy, there's love, there's a lot of things. But so do not fear, for I am with you. And yeah, that is little me smiling. And then, this is the scariest one of them all. I would like to have 20,000 subscribers by the end of 2020. How insane is that? But I know we can do it. You and I together. And I would also like to say that I want to start an investment account, open an investment account or a savings account. I mean, girl, it's never too late to start saving. So yeah, I'm going to do that as well. So yeah, this is pretty much it. This is my goals for 2020, and we are going to, I'm just going to stick them on right now and then show you what it looks like when I'm done. So this brings us to the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope that you learned a thing or two from my making of my vision board, and the entire thought process, what I went through, and what you can also go through in trying to make your own vision board. Do comment, like, and subscribe, and let's get interactive. Tell me what other content you'd like to see on this channel, and also tell me what is your biggest vision for 2020. Like, what do you plan to do with it? I mean, this is like a whole new era, starting a whole new you, if you want to, or if you just want to continue being who you were in 2020. That is also great. You can follow me on Instagram and on Facebook. I'm going to leave the handles on the screen so that we can interact even more. Follow me on all of those places, and then you can get to experience me and my life and what I do. I look forward to growing together and just realizing our full potential, and also growing this channel. So do tell your friend about it and your family members about it. We are hoping to get up to 20,000 subscribers by the end of the year. Thank you so much for watching again, and stay blessed.